Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be making these beautiful sunflower shaped cookies. It's very delicious and easy to make. I hope you try it and tell me the outcome in the comment section. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. Let's get right into the baking process. In a bowl, we'll be adding 250 grams of soft butter. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for 10 seconds. This is the consistency of butter we are going for. Next, we'll be adding 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. You can use vanilla essence if you prefer. Then we'll be adding a pinch of salt. Mix very well until it becomes very creamy. After creaming the butter and sugar, we'll be adding 1 whole egg. We'll mix very well until it becomes properly incorporated. After that, we add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 360 grams, but we'll be adding 1 cup at a time. Once we have added the last cup of all-purpose flour, we'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we mix very well until a dough is formed. After that, we'll be cutting out a little portion of the dough and set aside. Then we add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to that small portion. Mix very well until a chocolate dough is formed. Then to the bigger portion of the dough, we'll be adding few drops of yellow food coloring. Mix very well to form a bright yellow colored dough. Now that we have finished preparing our dough, it's time to roll out. Place your yellow dough on a parchment paper, then cover with another parchment paper and roll out to your desired thickness. After rolling out, we'll go ahead to put the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so that the dough will be easier to work with. We will also repeat the process for the chocolate dough. After refrigerating for 30 minutes, we'll be cutting the dough into shape using this cookie cutter. Transfer the cookie cutouts to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Once that is done, we will be cutting out the middle using this small circle cookie cutter. We'll be using the same small cookie cutter that we used for the middle to cut out the chocolate dough. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and place the chocolate cutouts into the middle of the yellow cutouts. Next, we'll use the edge of our fork to define the sunflower shape. We will also create these dot shapes on the chocolate part of the dough. Isn't this beautiful? Bake this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. These cookies are so delicious and crunchy, and you'll love it and your kids will love it too. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also, feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones and check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Will you be recreating this recipe at home? Let me know in the comment section. Also, what beverage will you be pairing this with? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.